All right, Gyanu here at Ujjwal Bhavishya. Fine, I'll share the secret the old man's too polite to mention, because I can't watch you fail for another decade. So, Gyani just taught you about two powerful families and absolute rules for have and has. Very systematic, very complete, very useless if you keep making the two biggest mistakes that instantly expose you as a non-native speaker. You want to sound professional instead of like you learned English from a 1990s textbook. Listen up. Now, before I save you from embarrassing yourselves, let me guess what you're thinking right now. Gyanu, I learned this in school. I know have and has. Really? Then why do I hear I am having a phone or she is having a sister literally everywhere? Why does everyone ask, have you a pen, like they're living in 1925? Look, I get it. You memorize the rules, but memorizing isn't mastering. There's a huge difference between knowing something and actually using it correctly when you're nervous in an interview or excited talking to friends. Basic reality check. If you're still making these mistakes, you need my hacks. If you're already perfect, well, prove it in the comments later. Hack number 1. Stop saying I am having for things you own. This is a massive Indian English mistake that makes you sound completely unprofessional. Wrong. I am having a car. She is having a sister. Right. I have a car. She has a sister. You only use having for actions or experiences. I am having dinner. Eating right now. We are having a meeting. Meeting in progress. Possession equals have, has. Actions equals am having, is having. Mix these up and everyone knows you're still learning. Get it right and you sound naturally fluent. Hack number 2. Upgrade your questions to sound like you belong in 2025, not 1925. Your textbook probably taught you, have you a pen? Has he a bike? Technically correct, but nobody in the modern global workplace talks like that. You'll sound like Shakespeare's cousin. The genius way to ask about possession. Do you have a pen? Does he have a bike? Simple rule. Use do. With the have club. I, you, we, they. Use does with the has club. He, she, it. Master this and you'll sound sharp, modern, and confident in any professional conversation. There you have it, the difference between sounding outdated and sounding professional. Your possession game just went from textbook to boardroom ready. Challenge time. In the comments, write 2 sentences, one using have correctly and one using has correctly. Let's see who's been paying attention and who's still stuck in grammar school. That's the hack. Not complicated. Or is it? In the comments, show me one sentence using this trick and subscribe if you dare. And now you know.